Well, it's a beautiful afternoon here on the farm. I have been pulling out all kinds of junk wood out of crevices sitting all around the farm, mostly pallets and some old posts. But it's time to clean up the yard. Good morning, everybody. Or is it afternoon? I think I already did the afternoon. Anyway, it's warm enough and very humid for me to be in sweatshirt and shorts, t-shirt and shorts. Boy, I'm confused today. I've been working on the house the last few weeks of a month. Anybody who's been watching the little videos I put out have seen a lot of kitchen remodel and house remodel and a lot of trim work. And as you see behind me, the sawmill is empty. Cut a lot of boards this month. But we're shifting gears today. For anybody who doesn't live on a country piece of property, you won't know this, but I have squirreled away in a couple of different spots what most people would call a junk pile. But us frugal farmer types call it a necessity stack, future needs. There's a number of things people call these things. So this week, I'm pulling out a few projects that have broken down over the years, and I'm fixing them up and cleaning up the debris. So stick with me. You're going to see a lot of odds and end jobs this week. I'll introduce you to the first two. What we have here used to be my 16-foot equipment trailer, but took the electric brake axles off of it to work on another project, and I stuck a lightweight utility axle underneath of it just so I could keep using it, well, as I'm using it to haul slabs and debris away. You'll see on top of this I got another proper axle to put underneath of it, and this week that's going to happen. Got all this wood to haul off, and most of it will be kindling for fires this winter. But a lot of it's just junk. I'll get it sorted this week. But guess what? Like everything, there's projects to be done before I get to this one. And today it's going to be somebody needs to mow the grass and stagger over the mat. So this lawnmower has not been started since last year because I've been way too busy. So today somebody's going to have to drain the old gas, make sure she's got fire, and crank her up and do a little mowing. I won't show you the yard because it's a mess. Alright, let's get with it. Let's see if we can keep focused on this carburetor for a few minutes. See where we're at. Okay. Maybe I did myself a favor and run all the gas out of it last year. So it'll be nice and clean. Oil's looking good. This might work out after all. had so many mowers around, I forgot this one actually has a battery start. Fella could charge the battery and try it. It's a little dirty. Clean that out. Well, I have done a lot of fiddling and cleaning and took the old bowl of the gas thingamajiggy apart. And come to find out, I'll show you in a few minutes, the float bowl is overflowing because the float has cracked and is not closing off the needle jet. So I got the old jungle drums going, and I contacted the South American folks, and these people that live along the Amazon River basin, they really find the parts when you need them. I'll try to get over here in the sunlight, but what you might be seeing there is a brand new carburetor for a Kohler 6.75 horsepower lawnmower engine. So I will take a little bit of time and assemble this thing, and we'll see if we can get this brand new gas thingamajig feeder to work. I'll be back. Well, fellow farmers, we have a running lawnmower once again. Problem is I can't run the mower and hold that brake release at the same time to show you the operations. But you'll just have to trust me. She's back in operation. That was a $16 Amazon part. Yeah, them folks down there in South America, they do some good work. All right, folks, I'm gonna mow the grass, and then next thing is
straight, Carter. This grass is far too tall. You can do it.
Well, folks, I knocked down the weeds around the cabin. Getting started with a little grass in there. So the lawnmower with the Amazon carburetor, the gasoline pump thingamajiggy seemed to work just fine. And now that brings us to